Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we have our JT5350 3.5 ton excavator on a job site, and we're going to dig in a hole for the fence gate to be installed over here where you see the spikes. Stay tuned, we'll show you how the auger works. We're going to use this 16-inch bit in diameter with replaceable carbide tips. This bit is designed for the mixed rocky soil. The bit is about 5 feet long, and our auger has a reduction gearbox, which will give us around 2,500 Newton meters of force on the torque. All right, we have our bit aligned, and now we're gonna start drilling. While we drill, we gradually push down with the arm. Okay, it's done. We're deep enough, and while drilling this hole, we were able to go through some rocks. Lots of crushed up rock. There's a couple more holes here as well. Pretty rocky soil, but the auger did great. Thanks for watching, everyone. JT5350 3.5 ton excavator can be equipped with multiple attachments, including the auger. If you're going to have any more questions, please visit JoyT5.com or give us a call. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.